Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be sharing a little about the library tools available to us from Stewart Library website. This website has a lot to offer that I would recommend exploring, but in this video we are going to be focusing on the search tools. So on the homepage, we are going to click on this yellow button that will open up the catalog search. From here we're going to click on the advanced search to open up the catalog. As you can see, there are a multitude of options you can use to narrow down your search. The first you might notice are these 4 search boxes, so let's take a look at them. These search boxes depend on what information you have about the catalog you are looking for, whether it is a general keyword, the title, author, subject, and so on. You can use one or all 4 to narrow down your search. This small box off to the right allows you to change it from and, or not. And is going to be used as a linking term, or is for synonyms, and not is for excluding a term from your search. Looking below, these limits do just that. They allow you to place limits on the format, collection, or language or location of your search. The last element is at the very bottom. It allows you to change the way your results are sorted. Now we're going to go back to the Stewart Library homepage by clicking on the logo in the upper left corner of our page. Now we're going to click on the yellow button instead, the blue button instead of the yellow button to change the search bar to databases. From here, if you were to know the title of the database you were looking for, you could select one of the letters, or you could click this arrow to search by subject. We are going to click the A to take us to the database search. Now we have several options to narrow our search down. This subject tab has a list of subjects you can choose and the number of databases that correlate with the subject listed next to it. You could also narrow your search down based on the type of database, such as ebooks or journal articles. This last tab is a vendor or provider list for if you're looking for something made by a specific vendor, such as EBSCOhost. Then there's a search bar you can use if you have a specific database you are looking for. So if I were to be looking for a database on a topic dealing with technology and education, I could narrow my search based on subject, let's say education. And now I have 18 databases left. I could further narrow it down by typing in technology in the search bar. And it's narrowed it down to 3 databases that correlate with my search. So now let's go back to the library homepage once again to look at one search. This will be the green button that is automatically selected when you open the homepage. We are going to click on the one search link, but you can type in the key terms of your search in the box provided. This search will look through the library resources to locate what you're trying to find. From here, we can type in our search terms like we could with the initial box, or we could select the Advanced tab to take us here where we can narrow down our search. This tab will allow me to search specific fields like author or title. Otherwise, we can search our keyword in all possible fields. These search bars are similar to the library catalog search bars, where we can specify the field, type in the keyword, and change the options from and, or not. We can also add search bars if needed, right here. Down here, we can set a publication date limit. We can also narrow our search to specific content types, or by subjects, or different language results, or we can limit or exclude certain results. And we can also expand our search by seeking things from other library collections. Now let's go back to the home page one last time to look at one more feature of the Stewart Library website. We are going to go all the way to the right side to this Help tab and click on it. We can get help in many different ways and forms of communication, from texting to calling to emailing, all the way to making an appointment to meet with a subject librarian in your specific field. This is the last of what I'm going to show you, so I hope you enjoyed it and not let these tools go to waste. Thank you.